Hello guys, Marwan here. I'm back. I just thought that I should make a quick live stream, around 20-minute live stream. Just in order to say what's the plan, how should we trade the FOMC. One moment, I'm just verifying if the stream is correct. Yeah, it is. Okay. A quick live stream, around 20-minute live stream. Just in order to say what's the plan, how should we trade the FOMC. Everything's good. Everything's good. Let's go. Okay, so you want to know how should we trade the FOMC. Usually it's very risky to trade the FOMC and I won't recommend it. But if you want to, you can trade it. But first we need to be careful. There's a meme that goes on Twitter, on crypto Twitter, like when Jerome opens his mouth, the market straight dumped as soon as he says good evening. It's partially true. So I am going to go back for the most recent FOMC, December 9. Let's go to December 9, just in order to show you how the price action develops. This happens like most of the time, the price action develops like this. Let me show you. Let's go to the hourly. This is FOMC, not FOMC. It was at 9. Was it at 9? I mean, yes, usually we got the pre-FOMC pump. Wait a second, let me verify. FOMC meeting 2025 December 10th. Let's see, 10th of December. Okay, yeah, that's here. So we got our rate decision here. Wait, let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's zoom out a little bit more just to understand what happened. Before I show you, this is what I think will happen and what usually happens. First, we have two parts for the FOMC. At 9 p.m. Romanian time, we got the statement from Jerome, like we got the printout, and you have the decision. The decision is usually like priced in. You can see it here on this website, cmegroup.com/market/interest rates/CME Fed Watch Tool. So they're expecting a 99%. Wow, I haven't seen it in a long time. No cut. That's I wasn't expecting it. No cut. Let's see. So yeah, whatever this is usually correct. So we can expect no cut. This is already priced in. It won't move the markets. What will move the market is the statement that comes out with the rate cut. I don't know if they're doing a dot plot now. Dot plot means how do they expect inflation and the interest rates to be in this year, next year, and in 4 years, I think. So dot plot plays a part. If it's coming out, it doesn't come out in every FOMC meeting. Also, what Jerome says, like usually the statement stays the same. He just changes a sentence if he wants to change anything, and this sentence may dump or pump the markets. It's a very important sentence, or a word even. So yeah, expected no cut. So it's already priced in, but here the statement comes out, the decision, pump, dump, then trading range. We still haven't broken above this high. Then Jerome starts speaking here. Usually we dump as soon as Jerome talks, but here we pumped. I mean, we retraced the pump if you watch the 1 minute time frame. Then we pump and break down. This happens if we're bearish. So it depends on your bias. I mean, how you're expecting the economy to do. Even though I'm sure I don't know, you don't know, and nobody knows. The economy is very complicated. Even the people that study economics and are economists are not 100% sure how the economy works or what will happen in the future. So yeah, it's a 50-50, like a coin toss. You can see from the price action. I mean, if you're leaning more bullish, this is what I expect will happen. Let's suppose this is 9 a.m. Okay, we might pump, doesn't matter. I won't enter any trades before Jerome starts speaking because there will be a lot of, sorry for my French, fuckery. I won't enter here. You won't enter until Jerome starts speaking. Then what I like to see is seeing a dump around 15 minutes after Jerome starts speaking, and then a pump. Okay, here it dumped and then kept on dumping. But I'm saying that if we were to be bullish, what I want to see happen. So let me go to the current time frame. Let me put it on the hourly. On the hourly, 5 minutes. So let's draw the path candle by candle. Path 9. So I expect at 9. If you want, I can enter on the 1 minute chart, but let's keep it on 5 minutes. Basically, as soon as the rate comes out, the interest rates, the federal funds rate comes out, you might expect this to happen. And the same candle, same 5 minutes candle, whiplash. Everybody will get fucked if you have tight stops. Then the price will keep on doing this until 9:30. This is when Jerome starts speaking. What I want to see, if I were to be bullish, I'm neutral now. It depends on what the statement says, how the market reacts to the statement. You can get a feeling between 9 and 9:30. And also, it also depends on what the reporters asked Jerome. So you need to also be listening to Jerome's speech. This is until 9:30. I won't enter trades here. Plus, I think our editor will make a short YouTube video, like on YouTube Shorts. So let me speak clearly. 9 a.m. until 9:30 a.m. meaning the time after the decision comes out and before Jerome starts speaking, I won't enter trades here. There will be a lot of false breakups to the upside and to the downside. A lot of volatility, and I mean the market needs time to digest Jerome's statement, or it's not only Jerome's statements. There are like 9, I think, people that decide what to do in the FOMC. So from 9 to 9:30, I don't enter trades. Then, depending on the statement that comes out at 9:30, I will develop a bias. And let's say, for example, I'm bullish. I want the price, as soon as Jerome starts speaking, pump a little bit maybe, but I want to see a dump. After the dump, then we continue to go up. It doesn't happen all the time. Like I said, it depends on the statement. But this is what I want to see. This is our plan for BTC or any other coin in that matter, or also the US stocks. I mean, all the markets are affected. If you want to watch Jerome's speech, you just go to YouTube and just FOMC meeting live. You will see, it's not this. You can watch Beginner Trading. He's a really good streamer. I always watch him. But the Federal Reserve have their own YouTube account. Why isn't it showing up? Yeah. So the Federal Reserve will open a live stream on YouTube. Okay. Yeah, here it is. You can just watch it live and hear what Jerome has to say. Yeah. So let me recap. Between the time that the federal funds rate decision comes out at 9 p.m. and the time until Jerome starts speaking, I personally won't enter any trade. After, depending on what the statement says and what my general bias is, I will enter a trade, but after the market dumps. If the market immediately pumps and keeps on pumping, I don't like that. It can happen, but it rarely happens. I've been trading FOMC for like 4 or 5 years. It rarely has happened. So yeah, also I don't like, I mean, usually markets become risk off before the FOMC. Monday, Tuesday we dump. Now we've been pumping Monday, Tuesday. Okay, not on BTC, but on the US stocks. but we're having a pre-FOMC dump, which is good. People are de-risking. They might have to buy back after the FOMC, which will be fuel for the next leg up. This is our plan for the FOMC. Now let's review our BTC analysis. It was a pretty interesting week. Just let me see if you have a comment or something. Okay, it was a pretty interesting week. We had a very bearish weekly. Okay, the week still hasn't ended, but still a 50% retracement. Yeah, if we were going to reject on the weekly, this is where we should reject if we were to be bearish. I'm still bearish, leaning towards being bearish, because this candle is very bearish. If I were to be bullish, I want to wait for this weekly close, and yeah, if this indicates bullish price action, I can just buy next week. The RR is a lot better. On the daily, complete inside bar. As soon as the CME futures opened, it's on Monday, 11 a.m. Romania time, we had a pump. They bought the dip. We bounced off an important zone. You can say we're still making higher lows, but according to the weekly, I'm not looking to enter any longs. Same thing with ETH. Weekly very bearish. Then, I mean, if we have an inside bullish bar this week, it's very rare, but it can happen. Look here. It can happen, but I mean, this is very bearish. At least a retest of the low. There's no lower wick. Sorry, we just pump as soon as the market's opened, as the weekly candle opened. The one that I wanted to show you about is hype. I was devastated because I said on the live stream, it's in a good price, but I personally won't buy. I wanted to show you that I had an alert set on a fill below this October 10th wick, and the alert is here. Look, hype crossing Sunday, the 21st of December. Oh no, I set it on. It triggered on, yeah, I set it around a month ago. It triggered on the 20th of January. It triggered at exactly the low, I think. Let me be sure. And I didn't enter. Even though my analysis was correct, I knew that after filling this wick and hype being very bullish, I didn't enter. Because BTC was looking shit, was looking bearish. So as we can see here, my alert triggered on 20th January around 8 o'clock. Here, around here. Yeah, I mean, I could have entered here. Stop around at 19 maybe. Let's say 19.87, 8% risk, 50% reward, around 6.5 to 1. I didn't enter. Something I won't regret it, because if this closes bullish, this weekly bullish, we might have continuation. Okay, we just rejected off the value line on the weekly, but hype is looking good, especially here. Once this candle closed, look, this candle broke this candle even didn't break below, which is good. Let me zoom in for you to see clearly. This was the low. Let me draw a horizontal line. This candle didn't break below it. This candle broke below it and immediately reversed. It's a small candle. I don't know if you can call it a hammer. It isn't a doji. Let's say it's a small bullish bodied candle. But this was enough. I mean, you could have entered here, stopped below the low, and just held. Anyways, if you want to enter, we can wait on the daily for a higher low. So yeah, this is our plan for BTC. It was a quick live stream. I just wanted to tell you the plan. How should we trade the FOMC? Does anybody have a comment or anything? Do you want me to review any chart before I close the live stream? Yeah, I don't think anybody has anything. Anyways, only one person is watching. So yeah, I can do an analysis for other coins. Let me see. Or maybe just BTC. Okay, guys. We're still in a trading range. Although, as I said, I'm leaning to bearish now. After this weekly closes, I will reassess my bias and maybe start looking for longs if the weekly confirms it. Monthly, I don't know if Jerome now comes out and says I want to cut rates by 25 basis points. We're going to fly, but I don't think he will do that because these are always correct. So yeah, okay guys, it was a quick live stream. I'm going to open a live stream again on Sunday, I think, with our usual weekly analysis. But for now, this is it. If Jerome cuts 25 bonus points, which I'm 99.99% sure he won't, I will open a live stream again. But yeah, remember what I said. It's very risky, and this is not financial advice, just my own opinion and based on my own experience. It's very risky to enter trades between 9 and 9:30 because the market most likely won't do anything. It will just range. After 9:30, you can start looking to enter long, short, doesn't matter. Depends on what your bias is. And yeah, I'm hoping we're going to be bullish because all the markets have been like going up, pumping stocks. Gold, I won't even speak about gold, except BTC, which is strange. I know why it's happening. It's not strange because something that isn't expected. It's strange because I want BTC to go up, you know. It's not nice being a bear, but if that's what the charts are telling us, that's what the charts are telling us. Okay guys, see you on Sunday and goodbye.